Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And unfortunately, this is probably going to be the last two videos that I make before I go on break. So, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. That being said, what I have here for everyone today is my unboxing and first impressions of the RetiCam HG-10 grip. Alright? And this is a universal grip. So what does that mean? It should be compatible with anything with a standard thread. And I'm, again, going to have some demonstrations for you guys and gals. And I'm super excited to pick this one up. I actually wish I picked it up sooner, because then I would have unboxed it with my Ulanzi set of products. But it is what it is. When these things come in, I just make the videos. You know, we don't complain. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy and get into the first impressions. Now, in traditional fashion, as I always do, because we're trying to make it minimal struggles around here, I already unboxed it just to make sure everything was in the package. I removed all the plastic, the tape, and the seals to make the unboxing experience extremely fast and extremely easy. So, that being said, let's get into this box. But before we dive in, I just want to highlight a few things. Talking about the packaging, I have to say RetiCam has done a great job with this one. I really like the packaging of this grip here. I like the color scheme. I like the diagram. So you got a diagram of the grip right up front. You got the model number right down below. Really nice stuff. And you have the barcode here, along with a nice, easily labeled and nice print of what's in the package. Really, really good stuff here. And it tells you what it's compatible with. So this bad boy is compatible with smartphones and camera accessories. And then they give you the company website right there. Good stuff. Flipping it over to the back, as y'all can see right here. Just letting you know some basic information. So it has a standard thread on it, which makes it compatible with just about anything with a standard thread. So tripods, you name it. And actually, when I come back from the break, I'm actually going to be putting together a video for you guys about how to make the best selfie stick. And this is going to be the basis for that selfie stick. And it might be a selfie stick tripod combo, because you know we always need the tripod around here. But really, really nice layout on the box. Really, really nice set of diagrams. I really like that. And then a little bit of company branding right here. So really good stuff. Now let's crack into the box and give y'all a good look here. So as I said, nothing in the box but the grip itself. Pull this bad boy out, nothing else in the box. Throw the box off to the side. And here is the RetiCam HG-10 grip. And I gotta tell you guys, first impressions, feels really good in the hands. This is very, very comfortable. It's actually akin to my Octomount grip. But what's really nice about this one is, as I said before, got that standard thread here. So I just got to unscrew this. And there you go. Standard mounting thread right there. And similar to the other one, it also comes with this screw with a nice strap. So if I want to strap it on and go selfie stick mode, or I need to get some nice pans and tilt shots, then we can leave the strap on and do what it do and not have to worry about losing it. So really, really nice touch. And then if I wanted to make just a quick setup here, I can demo for y'all real quick. Within seconds, I can be ready to shoot. Now, I don't have a smartphone to demo because the only smartphone I got on me today, matter of fact, let's use this one. The only smartphone I got on me today is my Samsung Galaxy S8, and that's actually what I'm using to record this video in the 1:1 aspect ratio. So you can see within seconds we're set up, we're ready to shoot, and we just have to add a phone and or a microphone, depending on what I want to do, depending on what I'm demoing. And if I pan up here, y'all can see that looks great. So this is important for me, especially because this is the type of setup that I'm looking for. I want the speed and the ease of use. And then when I'm ready to pack it up, I could just drop this in a bag, or it's just relatively quick to disassemble. So one piece and two pieces, and we're done. So this is what I'm talking about. Real easy to assemble, real easy to disassemble and store. Really good stuff. Now, this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the RetiCam camera grip. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And honestly, I might just review this one right alongside the Ulanzi mount and lights, because I think that setup with this grip will be phenomenal, okay? And I might just throw in one of my favorite tripods with it. I haven't decided yet. Maybe when I do that video, I'll demo it with the Manfrotto or the Ritz gear. I can't decide. But I'm thinking I might review all that stuff together, because in essence, it makes a nice little combo. So let's just throw that one out there. So the review for this one will be right alongside the review for the Ulanzi mount, smartphone mount, and the Ulanzi LED portable lights. All right? All right. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. Oh, this whole video, as I said before, was recorded on the Samsung Galaxy S8 in the 1:1 aspect ratio. So that is 1440p by 1440p, all right? And this is using the rear-facing 12 megapixel sensor with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality as well. And also, along with the S8, we're using the Ulanzi smartphone mount and the portable Ulanzi LED lights to light up this whole scene today. All my shades are closed, and the only light source we're using for this video is the small LED lights. So please let me know what y'all think. That being said, again, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Man, I can't wait to start using this, man. Oh man. Man, I feel so lame, man. How come I get so excited about these things? I just don't know. I don't know. It is what it is, though. I love tech, man. When you love something, you get excited like this all the time. It is what it is. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.